hundreds of hours of communication which happened, but some of them really stole our hearts, and we try to just bring it all together into one small video. Let me share that, and then we'll proceed from here. So here it comes.
When you learn, you become a star, but when you teach, you become a constellation. And to be a constellation, the prerequisite is to be able to collaborate. One person with their talent, allowing for somebody else's skills to merge and amalgamate to create something beautiful and new. And on the outset, collaboration seems like a pretty simple effort, but it isn't, because it asks for us to bring our vulnerabilities, it asks for us to bring our strengths onto the table, and for allowing somebody else to see through them and maneuver through them to be able to assist us to reach our highest potential.
Opportunity that we are trying to look at is how can we leverage SAP to look at our business processes that SAP already supporting today, but that are manual in nature, that are human dependent and repeated manual in nature, that we can leverage SAP or work with SAP to automate those.
The problem is we are only thinking that, oh, we are doing a big thing by giving it to somebody. But that's not the case really. And of course, this is a good time when people are actually spending time with their own selves, doing a lot of introspection, seeing where they're really going wrong. And this is a good time. This is a very good time to rewire yourself, your thought line. This is the best time. I mean, this is probably going to be the only time when we can actually start to introspect and see where we are right now, and what do you think, or what kind of change do we want in our...
Assalamu alaikum to everyone. Today we are all here with amazing wow factor. I can say wow factor, that is happiness and compassion. We are going to bring highlights on this, which is the theme of TCL Circle of Legends, that happiness is the main factor that rules our lives. We have wonderful guests in our panel discussion today who are going to spread this happiness, as happiness is contagious.
I feel like one of the first things that comes to my mind is the way people introduce themselves, and that's the first lesson I would like to share with you. Introduction with love is one of the lessons that I have taught from the very beginning of my career. Since I was 17 years old, I have been teaching human wisdom around the world. And this is a lesson I never skip. So my request to you is, for a second here, if I ask you to introduce yourself, think in your minds, what would you say? If I say, hey, tell me more about yourself, what would you say? Would your introduction of yourself be laced with what you're doing, where you live, or will it be much more beyond that? Now, let me tell you, having taught more than 400,000 people across 26 countries in person and more virtually, I have noticed that every time you ask someone to introduce themselves, people often list down a series of their accolades, they read their resumes, and most certainly they start by telling you what they do, not who they are.
2020 has been a very different kind of year. Most of us have not seen anything similar before. This year took away a lot of things, but what it gave back was time. Time to think, time to reflect, and time to learn something new.
ऐसे हमने सुना story ना, we were like, oh my god, you know, we will, because my mother does a lot of social service, so मम्मी ने बोला कि चलो, we will give the small baby to orphanage. But जब हम baby को घर पे लाए, छोटी सी 1 month की इतनी सी baby, छोटी चूहिया की तरह, like a little mouse, so and hungry, she was very hungry, and we fell in love with her. We took care of her for a week. That week became a month became a year. Now it's been 12 years. And I adore her. She is like my own child. She has changed my life. जब से मेरे जिंदगी में छोटी बच्ची आई है कशिश, मेरा करियर, मेरा सब कुछ चेंज हो गया है. She's been a blessing.
All right, this was the magic moments. A little round of applause. And since I was editing it, I kept my peace. So I hope you guys loved it. Yes. Okay.
Yes,
All right.
it's the
So there
circle
are.
of legends. We love compliments. Lots of them come our way. See, compliments
you,
came in
Swati.
real.
I got endorsement. Thank you so much. Yes, it was very difficult to make this piece, by the way, Priyanka, because when I was browsing through the database of the golden content which we have, and of course it was less time, so it's not inclusive. It's there's a lot more left, and definitely we are planning to put it in some interesting bites and share those videos later as well, because the world needs to know, right? Let's move ahead, and we have somebody